Alright guys, just a quick video. We're about to flash the car again. I know it's been like 3 flashes in the past month. So what we're going to do now is we're going to run the E40 blend, which is one of the more, or I want to say the most aggressive file right now. This is what we call the kill map. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and test the E85 first, because you want to make sure that you have a good percentage of ethanol before you just start mixing things. And then I also have a app on my phone that helps me calculate the percentage of pump fuel, 93 or 91, whatever, and E85 in order to get to the E40. So let's get started. All right, so 5 minutes is up, and if you look closely, you can see where it's separated. So we are right on 85% ethanol. So for those of you guys wondering, here in Maryland, where I got this E85 from, it's on Van Dusen Road. I want to say that's like Laurel, Maryland, or not far from Laurel, Maryland. So guys, if you need clean E85, 100% exact E85, that's where to go. All right, so just got 4 gallons, well, to be exact, 4.83 gallons of 93. And now we're gonna add 7.85 gallons of E85. There we go. All right, so we have the mix all put in the car. It's running, we flashed it. Everything seems good. Once again, guys, this is the revxoil.com E85 testing kit. I got this through Amazon. It was about 15 bucks, not too expensive, guys. So go ahead and get yours, and don't try and mix 85 without getting it tested first. You don't want to risk it. All right, thanks for watching.